Hey there travelers, welcome back to Nomad's Nirvana. If you're planning a trip to Japan, you're in for a real treat. Japan is a country with a unique blend of modernity and tradition, and it's important to be prepared before you go. Today, we're going to share with you 60 essential travel tips to help you make the most of your time in this fascinating country. From cultural differences to practical advice, we've got you covered. So, let's dive in. Tip number 1. Get a Japan Rail Pass. Japan Rail Pass is available to foreign visitors who enter Japan with a temporary visitor visa. This pass will allow you to travel on all Japan rail trains, including the famous Shinkansen bullet trains, and it's a great way to save money on transportation. Tip number 2. Learn some basic Japanese. While English is spoken in many places, showing respect for the local culture by knowing simple phrases like konnichiwa, hello, arigato gozaimasu, thank you, and sumimasen, excuse me, can make a significant difference in your interactions with locals. Not only will learning basic Japanese phrases help with communication, but it can also show that you are willing to make an effort to connect with the local people and their customs. Tip number 3. Carry cash. Although some places in Japan accept credit cards, it's recommended to carry cash as many establishments only accept cash payments. It's essential to bring the sufficient yen to cover your expenses, as several small businesses may not accept credit cards. Tip number 4. Follow the rules. Japanese society places a high value on politeness and respect for others. Be sure to follow the local customs and rules, like not talking on your phone on public transport. Tip number 5. Respect personal space. Japan is a crowded country, and it's important to respect people's personal space. Avoid standing too close to others on public transport or in lines. Tip number 6. Take off your shoes. It is customary to remove shoes before entering many traditional establishments and homes in Japan. If you are uncertain whether to remove your shoes, look for signs or politely ask the host or staff. Tip number 8. Proper use of chopsticks in Japan. When dining in Japan, it's crucial to understand the proper use of chopsticks. These utensils are widely used, and it's important to avoid stabbing your food or crossing your chopsticks while eating. Furthermore, sticking your chopsticks vertically into your food is considered unlucky and should be avoided. Tip number 9. Be conscious of your volume. In Japan, it is customary to speak softly, and raising your voice in public is considered rude. Make an effort to lower your volume, especially when using public transportation. Tip number 10. Respect the elderly. Japan has a culture of respect for the elderly, so be sure to give up your seat on public transport and show respect to older people you encounter. Tip number 11. Eat everything on your plate. In Japan, wasting food is considered rude. Try to finish everything on your plate, or at least leave a small amount to show that you enjoyed the meal. Tip number 12. Take off your hat. It's considered impolite to wear a hat indoors in Japan, so be sure to remove your hat when entering buildings. Tip number 13. Carry an umbrella. Japan can be rainy, especially during certain seasons. It's a good idea to carry an umbrella with you in case of sudden rain. Tip number 14. Use the correct restroom. In Japan, there are separate restrooms for men and women. Look for the appropriate sign or ask if you're unsure. Tip number 15. Keep left. In Japan, people walk and drive on the left side of the road. Keep this in mind when crossing streets or walking on sidewalks. Tip number 16. Carry a portable Wi-Fi device. Staying connected is important when traveling, and a portable Wi-Fi device will help you stay connected even when you're on the go. Tip number 17. Use public transport. Japan has an extensive and efficient public transport system, including trains, buses, and subways. Using public transport is often the most convenient and cost-effective way to get around. Tip number 18. Take your shoes off in onsens. Onsens are Japanese hot springs, and it's customary to take off your shoes before entering the bathing area. Also, note that tattoos are often not allowed in onsens. Tip number 19. Carry a reusable water bottle. Japan has many water fountains and refill stations, and carrying a reusable water bottle will help you save money and reduce plastic waste. Tip number 20. Know the seasons. Japan has 4 distinct seasons, and it's important to pack accordingly. Winters can be cold and snowy, while summers can be hot and humid. Tip number 21. Try the local cuisine. Japan has a rich culinary culture, and trying local dishes is a great way to experience the country's unique flavors and traditions. Tip number 22. Know the etiquette of eating sushi. Sushi is a staple of Japanese cuisine, and it's important to know the proper etiquette. Avoid mixing wasabi into soy sauce, and don't rub your chopsticks together. Tip number 23. Keep tissues handy. In Japan, some public restrooms may not provide toilet paper, so having tissues with you can be particularly useful. Be sure to carry some with you whenever you're out and about. Tip number 24. Mind your body language. Japanese culture places a lot of emphasis on nonverbal communication, so be mindful of your body language and avoid aggressive or confrontational gestures. Tip number 25. Respect private property. In Japan, private property is heavily respected, and it's important to avoid trespassing or disturbing residents. Tip number 26. Check the weather. Japan can experience extreme weather conditions, like typhoons and earthquakes. Check the weather forecast before you go, and be prepared for any eventuality. Tip number 27. Learn about the history. Japan has a rich and complex history, and learning about it will help you better understand and appreciate the country's culture and traditions. Tip number 28. Take a break. Japan can be overwhelming at times, so be sure to take breaks and rest when needed. There are many peaceful parks and gardens to relax in. Tip number 29. Use vending machines. Consider using vending machines while in Japan, as they are widespread and offer a variety of products, ranging from beverages to snacks and even clothing. The vending machines in Japan are known for serving high-quality coffee, particularly canned coffee, which is a unique specialty of the country. Tip number 30. Use a travel app. Many travel apps can help you navigate Japan, including language translation apps and transportation guides. Tip number 31. Use a map. While technology can be helpful, it's always a good idea to carry a physical map, especially when exploring new areas. Tip number 32. Use a noise-canceling app. Japan can be noisy at times, and using a noise-canceling app can help you block out distractions and get a good night's sleep. Tip number 33. Don't eat or drink while walking. Eating or drinking while walking is considered impolite in Japan, so it's important to find a place to sit and eat your food. Tip number 34. Dispose of trash properly. Japan has strict rules on trash disposal, so it's important to follow the guidelines and properly sort your trash. Tip number 35. Be mindful of smoking rules. Smoking is prohibited in many public places in Japan, so it's important to be mindful of the rules and find designated smoking areas. Tip number 36. Be mindful of gift-giving custom. Japanese people value gift-giving, so it's important to follow the proper gift-giving customs. Be sure to research and understand the customs before you arrive. Tip number 37. Be patient. Japanese people value patience and avoid confrontations, so it's important to be patient and avoid getting angry or frustrated. Tip number 38. Avoid tipping. Tipping is not common in Japan, and can even be seen as insulting. It's important to avoid tipping, and instead, show appreciation through words or small gifts. Tip number 39. Follow train etiquette. Japan's train system is renowned for its punctuality and efficiency, but it's also important to follow etiquette when using trains, such as not talking on the phone or eating food. Tip number 40. Be prepared for earthquakes. Japan is prone to earthquakes, so it's important to be prepared by knowing evacuation routes and keeping a disaster kit on hand. Tip number 41. Be punctual. Japanese culture places a high value on punctuality, so it's important to arrive on time for appointments and meetings. Tip number 42. Be aware of cultural differences. Japan has its unique cultural norms and customs, so it's important to be aware of and respectful of these differences when interacting with locals. Tip number 43. Visit a shrine or temple. Japan has many beautiful and historic shrines and temples, so be sure to visit at least one during your trip. Tip number 44. Dress appropriately. Dressing modestly and conservatively is generally expected in Japan, especially in more traditional settings such as temples or shrines. Tip number 45. Respect personal hygiene. Japanese people value personal hygiene, so be sure to shower or bathe regularly, and avoid wearing strong perfumes or colognes. Tip number 46. Respect sacred sites. Japan has many sacred sites, including temples and shrines. Be sure to show respect by following the rules and customs, such as removing your shoes before entering and not taking photos of certain areas. Tip number 47. Learn the subway train network. Japan's subway and train networks can be complex, but they're also efficient and convenient. Take some time to study the system before your trip to avoid getting lost. Tip number 48. Rent a bicycle. Japan is a bike-friendly country, and renting a bike is a great way to explore cities and towns at your own pace. Tip number 49. Take off your coat in restaurants. It's considered impolite to wear a coat or jacket in restaurants in Japan. Take it off and hang it on the back of your chair. Tip number 50. Carry a portable battery charger. With all the technology we use these days, it's easy for your phone or other devices to run out of battery. A portable battery charger will come in handy. Tip number 51. Use a travel app. There are many travel apps available that can help you navigate Japan, translate signs, and find great places to eat and visit. Tip number 52. Visit a konbini. Konbinis are convenience stores found all over Japan, and they're an important part of Japanese culture. They sell everything from food to toiletries to alcohol. Tip number 53. Visit a temple or shrine during a festival. Japan has many festivals throughout the year, and visiting a temple or shrine during a festival is a great way to experience Japanese culture and traditions. Tip number 54. Try a capsule hotel. Capsule hotels are a unique and affordable way to stay in Japan. They offer small, pod-like rooms that are perfect for solo travelers. Tip number 55. Explore the countryside. Japan's countryside is full of natural beauty and cultural treasures, from ancient temples to picturesque villages. Consider taking a day trip or renting a car to explore the rural areas. Tip number 56. Visit a cat cafe. Japan is known for its love of cats, and cat cafes offer a unique opportunity to interact with these furry friends while enjoying a drink or snack. Tip number 57. Try a traditional Japanese inn. Ryokans are traditional Japanese inns that offer a unique and immersive experience of Japanese culture. They often include tatami mats, futons, and traditional meals. Tip number 58. Visit a maid cafe. Maid cafes are a popular subculture in Japan, offering a unique and often surreal experience of interacting with waitresses dressed in maid costumes. Tip number 59. Attend a sumo match. Sumo wrestling is a traditional and popular sport in Japan, and attending a match can be an exciting and memorable experience. Tip number 60. Try a themed restaurant. Japan is known for its themed restaurants, which range from robot-themed cafes to ninja restaurants. These unique dining experiences are a must-try for adventurous travelers. So there you have it, 60 essential travel tips for preparing for Japan. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, these tips will help you have a more enjoyable and memorable trip. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Nomad's Nirvana for more travel tips and adventures.